If you've been following me for a while, you may have noticed that my uploads have slowed down. I started with one video a week and kept that up for about a year. Then I cut it back to about one video every 2 weeks, and now there's a 27-day gap between my last 2 videos. Why, you may ask? Tutorials. The tutorials I've been making have started to feel a little bit repetitive in the creation process, and I need a new challenge. By no means I've mastered the art of tutorial making. I still think there's a lot of room to grow, but I've lost a bit of the spark that used to drive me. Since the beginning of my channel, there's this short sentence in my channel description, and I haven't changed it since. Follow me on my filmmaking journey. Why not something like, need help with the Fusion page, or I do tutorials in DaVinci Resolve, or motion graphics, VFX, or something in this kind of matter? Well, I've always been inspired by the filmmakers on YouTube. And since I was a child, I wanted to become one of them. And that's what I'm really aiming for with this YouTube channel. The tutorials on the Fusion page just emerged from certain circumstances. Let me tell you the story of my YouTube channel. About a year ago, I had a small job at a startup where I created photos and videos of products. I just knew very little about DaVinci Resolve and video editing, and to get my work done, I learned every day a new feature of DaVinci Resolve. But then I thought, how am I going to remember all this stuff? That day, I went home and opened up a YouTube channel. I opened DaVinci Resolve and started OBS. And there it was, the feeling of not knowing where to start. There was one sentence in my mind that got me to start anyway. You just need to start, it doesn't matter how good the result is, the journey is the destination. Then I remembered the first thing I learned in DaVinci Resolve, which was stabilizing video. I recorded the steps you need to take to stabilize your videos, and then watched back this video. And believe it or not, I wrote a whole script what I'm going to say in this 30-second video. After I've read the script to my microphone, I realized it's going to take much longer than I think. And believe me, if you're doing this for the first time and English isn't your native language, you need a lot of retakes. After recording and editing for hours, I finally pushed through the nerves to upload this first video onto YouTube. And it took months to get its first 100 views. Today this video gets hundreds of views every few hours. It's wild to see how things can grow over time. I've got this theory that when people discover a new channel, they go way back down to the first video and want to see how bad you were at the beginning. It's probably because they're way too curious, but I love it anyways. Honestly, one of my favorite parts of doing YouTube is reading all your comments down under my videos. Let me pick some for you out there. My clips started dancing and flipping. That's why I love Germans. Straight to the point. Sehr gut. Go slower. Wait, what? I'm here for the comments. It's always a treat when you don't hear, yo, what's up guys, it's your boy filmicfootprints here, back at it with another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Okay, enough of that. Let's get back to the main topic. How will this channel move forward? I'm not going to stop doing tutorials, but I will do things a little bit differently from now on. I want to improve my experience in filmmaking, especially in color grading, lighting, camera setup, sound design, and so on. From now on, I will tell you the stories how I learn new fields of filmmaking, and I will still do tutorials, but they will probably be a little bit less compact, but more entertaining. And I think that's a fair trade-off. And of course, I won't waste your time with those unnecessary "Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy filmicfootprints here" intros. So I think I've reached a point where we have mastered the Fusion page on this channel. But don't worry, the Fusion page will never leave us. It will always haunt the beginners. And if we are one of them, feel free to check out all my other videos and learn to do any motion graphic or VFX in DaVinci Resolve. So that's where we're at. Let me know in the comments which filmmaking topics we should cover in the next few videos. In the meantime, stay tuned for what's coming up in the next video.